Hello everyone, I'm in Sweden, SCHNEIDEN, in Essen, Germany. A client just asked me, what makes Chinese tungsten carbide stand up to the world's extremely condition? The answer is right here. Let me share information with you. A high-performance tungsten carbide hard-facing material can extend the life of the equipment up to 300%. That means less downtime and higher efficiency. From being constant to being trusted, we provide reliable rear armor for mines, oil fields, and factories worldwide. Those small components that protect the big operation of global heavy equipment. If you want to know more information about the carbide hard-facing material, welcome to visit our booth.